The birthday list begins with Xanthire Baldwin, who's celebrating her 9th birthday. Xanthire, I hope you have a marvelous, marvelous day, kiddo. She's in Oswego.
Joyce Huff is celebrating another year wiser. I hope you have a great one there, Joyce. Happy birthday.
Patricia McElwain, a happy birthday surrounded by her family right there. And Patricia, I want you to know that this birthday wish comes from the entire family.
All right. And the family sending out birthday wishes to Bradley Sloniker as well. Looks like he's having fun there. Bradley is in Carterville.
Carl and Angie Lewis, they are celebrating their 26th anniversary as we turn back the clock to that wedding day. Congratulations, Carl and Angie. They are in Parsons.
All right. And John and Debbie Turchick are celebrating Double Nickels anniversary. 55 years for the Turchicks in Carl Junction. Now, this couple is also the grandparents of our KOAM sports photographer, Zach Brown. Pretty cool.
So congratulations, John and Debbie. Let's roll on with a Wren birthday. It's been a while since we had a Wren birthday. Brian, he is celebrating in Carl Junction. Brian, have a great day. David Powell, the Honorable David Powell. Once you're a mayor, you're always a mayor. Anyway, he used to be the mayor in Webb City, and a happy birthday to you, Mr. Powell. And Kenneth and Leota Ritter in Webb City as well, as they are celebrating their 42nd anniversary. So happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this June the 17th. That's where you can send them into if you decide to do the email route, birthdays with an S, birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or if you use the interweb, KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.